So Byron, I just wanted to show you where you should be for the training. So this is my dashboard showing the classes that I have, but also showing two courses specifically for Penfield. And it's the online course design and delivery course. And then it's the Penfield College of Distant Learning. These are two courses that you want to keep on your dashboard. This one in particular because it is where you do your training at. So if I open it up, we'll see. It tells you that you have 3 levels, and these are 3 modules. And so it says you have to complete all 3 levels in order to teach online. And so this is what we have been looking for you to do. And I think this is how we knew that you were on the wrong module when you said 5. So either way, this is where you want to go. Now, how do you get to this? It's the question that I'm quite sure you have, and I'm going to try and help you figure that out. So the first thing we want to do is find it, and I think we need to go to back to our dashboard. So then I probably need to erase these and then find them again, so then I can show you how to do it. So after a little investigating, it looks like you need to have this course first, Penfield College Office of Distant Learning. Thinking this is on your dashboard in the beginning, because this is what Penfield faculty, I think, have. I don't recall placing this here myself, but once you have this Penfield College Office of Distant Learning, you click and it gives you this course access and completion requirements. When you open it, it then has the link here that will then send you to all of the 3 levels. What I've done is I've copied this link and I'll send to you just in case you don't have this PCMODL, and maybe we can call IT and figure out how to get that onto your shell. One of the main things though that I do want to point out about this, because it is good, is all of the things that are in here. And so she has a lot of useful materials for you to be able to utilize throughout your course. And I think a lot of this really will help you as you go through preparing to make your course, and a lot of things that you use. Zoom is one of the things that I use to record lectures, and that will be good for you to utilize here. Respondus is another thing that we use. It allows you to give tests online and have the students monitored pretty much. And then just a lot of different material, as you see, standards for online courses, all things that help make your course a better course. And one of the things that she has here through her announcements are a lot of helping you figure out some of the things you may have a problem with. So your start of the semester Canvas course checklist, just to make sure your course is set up right, Zoom resources and live training webinars, instructions for saving and converting WebEx recording, although you don't need that, but that is there, and just Canvas tip, check course links, all of that. And what I'm using now is called Screencast-O-Matic, and this is she has here, as well as on the other page to actually show you how to use it to record. I use this one because I upload my videos to YouTube, and this is a seamless transition from here to YouTube. But if you don't have a YouTube page, you can also, again, record it using Zoom, and it will then give you a recording link for your cloud, and you can then give your students that link. Okay, so we will talk, but I will go ahead and send this link in this video out to you. Thanks.